let y is equal to f of x is the given curve. On this curve we are going to find the tangent and normal. Okay, what is tangent and what are normal? So if we take 2 points P and Q on this curve y is equal to f of x, then PQ is the chord on it. Now this P point is fixed. Suppose this P point is fixed and the point Q moves towards P. Okay, this Q, the point Q comes nearer to P. Then when the point Q it is very nearer to P, then the limiting position of this chord PQ will be the tangent RS. I am showing you. You see, this is the chord. Okay, this stick, it is the chord. Okay, after that we are keeping this P fixed and Q is moving towards P. Then you see the position of this stick. Okay, when the point Q it is very nearer to P, you see my thumb, then you see this sticks, that is this chord, it will become the tangent RS, and this point P is known as the point of contact. That means at the point P, RS is the tangent, that means which touches the curve, and the point P, and on that point P the perpendicular on RS, that is the perpendicular on the tangent at the point of contact, that is this PN, it is known as the normal. So here RS is the tangent and PN is the normal on this curve y is equal to f of x at the point of contact P. How to derive the equation of a tangent and normal? Here you see a curve is given, y is equal to f of x. We are going to find the tangent and normal at the point P having the coordinate x1, y1. Let Q is another point on this curve where the coordinate is x1 plus delta x, y1 plus delta y. This length is delta x. Okay. Now then what is the equation of this chord PQ? As it is a straight line, we know y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1 from the equation of a straight line. Y minus y1, that is equal to m, the slope of this chord. What is the, how to find the slope? Difference of ordinate by difference of abscissa into x minus x1. Okay, that is we got y minus y1 is equal to delta y by delta x into x minus x1. Now we know if this point Q moves towards the point P, that means if this delta x tends to 0, then this chord PQ becomes the tangent RS at the point P, at the point x1, y1. So the equation of the tangent RS, that will be this delta x tends to 0. We have to use limit delta x tends to 0. So y minus y1 is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 delta by delta x into x minus x1. What is this? Limit delta x tends to 0 delta y by delta x, that is dy dx, that is derivative of this function at that particular point x1, y1. So ultimately the equation of the tangent becomes y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point x1, y1 into x minus x1. Now the equation of the normal. We know the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. For two perpendicular lines, we know m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, that is the product of the slope is equal to minus 1. So if here the slope is dy dx, then for the normal it will be minus dx dy, as the product is minus 1. So, the equation of the normal is y minus y1 is equal to minus dx dy at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1. We are going to find the equation of tangent and normal at the point x1 y1 on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So, this is the given equation, x square plus y square is equal to a square. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we will get? 2x plus 2y dy dx. A is a constant term, so derivative 0. So, dy dx, that is equal to minus x by y. So, dy dx at the point x1 y1, that is minus x1 by y1, putting x1 in place of x and y1 in place of y. So, what is the equation of a tangent? We know y minus y1 is equal to dy dx at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1, putting this, and by cross multiplication we will get this one, x1 plus y1 is equal to x1 square plus y1 square. Now, this x1 y1, it is a point lies on the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So, this point x1 y1 satisfies the equation of the circle, that means x1 square plus y1 square, that is equal to a square. So, x1 square plus y1 square, that is equal to a square. Putting this, we will get the equation of the tangent, that is x1 plus y1 is equal to a square. Now, the equation of the normal. And what is the equation of the normal? That is y minus y1 is equal to minus dx dy at the point x1 y1 into x minus x1 minus dx dy, that is this will be reversed and minus will be multiplied, that is y1 x1 y1 by x1. Now, by cross multiplication we will get the equation of the normal, that is x y1 minus y x1 equal to 0. We are to find the equation of the tangent and normal at x1 y1 on the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, at first we have to differentiate with respect to x, okay. Then we will get the value of the derivative differential coefficient, that is dy dx, then dy dx at the point x1 y1, then the equation of the tangent, the formula we know, y minus y1 is equal to dy dx into x minus x1. By calculating we will get this one, and the equation of the normal, that is y minus y1 is equal to minus dx dy into x minus x1 minus dx dy. From here we are to find the value of minus dx dy. A problem is given, if the tangent to the curve y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b at 1 comma minus 6 is parallel to the line x minus y plus 5 equal to 0, then we have to find the values of a and b. So, this is the given curve, that is y is equal to x cube plus ax plus b. Now, differentiating we will get dy dx is equal to 3x square plus a, and this is the straight line given. Here also differentiating with respect to x, we will get dy dx is equal to 1. So, for the curve, the derivative differential coefficient, that is dy dx, the value of dy dx at the point 1 comma minus 6, it is 3 plus a. Now, as the tangent is parallel to this line at that particular point 1 comma minus 6, so slope at that particular point is equal to the slope of that straight line. So, that is 3 plus a is equal to 1. From that we will get a is equal to minus 2, and putting the value of a, and as this 1 comma minus 6 point lies on the curve, so putting 1 for x and minus 6 for y, we will get the value of b, that is minus 5. Next sum, find the equation of the tangent and normal of the curve x equal to 3 cos theta minus cos cube theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta minus sin cube theta. That is, the equation is given in parametric form. So, differentiating x with respect to theta, we will get dx d theta, and similarly we will get dy d theta. Now, dy dx, that is dy d theta into d theta dx, okay, we will get this value. Now the equation of the tangent, that is y minus y1. Which one is y1? This is the given point. Y minus y1 is equal to m, that means dy dx at that particular point into x minus x1. Which is x1? This is the value of x1, okay. Then by calculating we will get this one. Similarly, equation of the normal, that is y minus y1, that is equal to minus of dx dy, that is sin cube theta by cos cube theta into x minus x1, okay. Next problem, that is prove that x by a whole to the power n plus y by b whole to the power n equal to 2 touches the straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 2 for all small n belongs to capital N, that means set of natural numbers at the point a comma b. So, this is the given curve. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get dy dx is equal to minus b to the power n x to the power n minus 1 by a to the power n y to the power n minus 1. So, the differential coefficient at the point AB, it is minus b by a, and the straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. So, differentiating both sides, we will get dy dx is equal to minus b by a. That means the slope of the straight line is equal to the slope of the tangent at the particular point AB. So, the straight line is parallel to the tangent at the point AB. Now, you see the point AB satisfies both these two curve and straight line, both these two equations. That means the point AB lies on both on the curve and on the straight line. Also, the tangent at the point AB, it is parallel to the straight line. That means the straight line itself is the tangent of that curve at that particular point AB. That means the curve touches the straight line at AB, and there is no barrier for small n. That is why for all small n belongs to capital N, that is for all natural values of this small n, it is satisfied, that is the curve touches the straight line.